Ito pala ang
Yeah.
school nila noon. Try natin pasukin. School nila noon.
Almost long time ago style.
Yeah.
Their house. House is good.
Pasukin natin ang school nila. Tingnan natin. Dito. Hi, ma'am. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Ito yun. This is the books. Ito yung mga aklat nila, oh.
This is all of it. Long time ago style.
Yeah. What is this?
Inside.
Nothing. Already finished. We're going back there. For what?
Oh, what kitchen? I think. Look when you come down outside.
Yeah. Let's go back. Ito yung unang school nila noon. Noong. Ibig sabihin, luma na to. Lumang
Look.
building na din. Dito daw. Sama daw ako. It's the same. What is this one?
This is Korean style.
Korean style.
Right.
And what is this house?
House is this, all of it. This is water.
Yeah.
This is water.
TV?
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Oh my God.
What is that? Namimitas na ang isa ng prutas. Mga herbal, oh. Herbal to. Ito yung project ko noon nung high school ako. Ito yung pinatanim sa akin, eh. Sa TLE. Eh? What is that?
Oh my God.
I cannot eat.
Eat.
What is this?
It's very delicious.
Delicious?
Yes.
What kind of fruit is this?
It's a shower.
Sour?
It's a shower too. It's good.
Dito siguro ang playground nila.